Ever stare at your Uber app, wondering why your ride won't confirm? Because your card keeps getting rejected. Let's fix that. First, open your Uber app and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Then, select Wallet. This is where all your payment methods are stored. Now, take a close look at the card that's giving you trouble. Check the expiration date very carefully. Is it expired? If so, that's your problem. Tap the card to edit its details. Update the expiration date with the correct month and year. Make sure you also double-check the CVV code on the back of your card and update it if needed. Next, verify your billing address. Sometimes a mismatch between the address on file with your bank and what you've entered in Uber can cause issues. Ensure it matches exactly. If everything looks correct and your card is still being rejected, contact your bank. There might be a hold on your card or a fraud alert preventing the transaction. As a temporary solution, consider adding an alternative payment method. You could add another credit card, a debit card, or even a PayPal account to get you moving while you sort out the issue with your primary card. And that's it. With these steps, you should be back on the road in no time. Enjoy your Uber.